What the hell we got going on? It's like double trouble. You know what I'm saying?
How's the show been?
Awesome.
Killing it?
Good show. Yeah. A lot of good stuff in there.
Cool.
But that RYNO WORX.
That RYNO WORX booth?
Check that booth out?
We got the RY30 coming in. Yeah.
See that?
We're actually going to weld that in. We're trying to strategically place that right now to get that situated for our new seal rig. So no, we're fired up.
Awesome.
That's actually the first time that I saw it.
Who told you about it?
Well, I talked to Judd online, talked to you,
right
talked to Kevin Gray, asked around a little bit, and
Awesome.
no, it was awesome. Took their word for it, but that's the first time I saw it in real life, and the thing's 30. I mean, so it's not like he's feeding me any BS. It is what he said.
I'm still waiting for him to pick one up.
It's solid machine.
Well, I got a new tank, so I need one now.
And I'm interested to see that burner and see how that works and get that thing running from job to job, so we're not wasting time on site.
That's the biggest thing. It's the biggest thing.
But the durability, I mean, the thing's that's not cheaply made. And I was worried about that at first, but it's solid.
The biggest problem with a standard melter is you get to a job, you got a half hour.
Correct.
You got a half hour.
Correct.
Yeah,
so
the
half
flame's
hour
going out, and you don't know it, and the gas is burning, you don't know what's going on.
You do good day, 10 jobs.
Right.
Do the math. Half hour each job.
Right. That's
kills your day.
Kills your day. Yeah. So the 30-gallon, the RY30 was designed to do exactly what we know it is capable of doing, right? That 30-gallon melter, if you have banders, if you have crack banders, you can fly with the thing. Pour pots are going to bust your back up. We know that, right? It's not a unit that's going to go and do streets or parking lots that are 100,000 linear feet of cracks. It's just not designed for that. You buy a pumper for that. Period.
Exactly.
We're not here to sell somebody that it can do more than that.
Right.
It's designed for
that niche.
For residential, small commercial. Literally, that's what it's designed for. Right.
I'm excited to use it.
Like we have clients that say like we did 8,000 linear feet. Some people say 20,000 linear feet. Right. They use the RY10-Pro to do it, and I'm like, you guys are nuts.
Right.
RY10-Pro. Between the melting points on it, so you use your kettle. Load it.
Yep.
Sure.
Wait for it to melt. You're like 30 minutes waiting for the whole thing. By the time you're done, it burns all your time, right?
Yeah.
But if you take the RY30 and you take the RY10-Pro, because we know a lot of banders, they'll cool out if you don't use it fast enough. That's the reality of it. You transfer that over to the RY10-Pro. That combination will work well on a little bit of an upper scale. But again, it's like that fine line before you just hit the pumper and spend the money.
Exactly.
Just the problem is a lot of people don't have 20 Gs, 30 Gs,
That's
40
the stepping
Gs.
stone. I wish
60.
Well, I wish I had that set up in my transition before we went to the pumper, the Crafco. I didn't have that. I wish I did. That would have set us up better. I mean, we broke our backs to get to where we are right now.
Exactly.
With these guys work their tails off. Torches going out, relighting things. I mean, it really was backbreaking.
And it still worked.
It still worked, but it was harder.
Right? Yeah,
it was harder. So why not make it easier and get to that point a little faster?
And I think that's what we've been wanting to do, and that's what we've accomplished now, is that with the RYNO WORX brand, it was how can we melt faster?
Exactly.
How can we save more fuel? How can we have a stepping stone to be able to invest into larger equipment? By no means are we saying stay with an RY30 and an RY10-Pro.
Right.
We're saying use it for what it's used for.
Here's another benefit though, even the push melter. You can vouch for what I'm about to say, is the pumpers are great. We get into a parking lot, either awkward shaped islands here and there. You can't get to it. You can't get to a certain spot. What we do is, the push melters, they're golden. So now incorporating the heating of that, you know what I'm saying?
Combination.
And that's what appeals to me.
I'm fired up to just have that thing running from job to job, and then get those latches on there. Yeah, I'm excited. So
I just had a conversation in here with a couple of the different vendors of certain things that we use in business.
Sure.
And I put it like this. I said, there's a reason when you see a certain product, and you see big companies all over, and that's the product they're using,
100%.
Think about it.
Yeah.
So now I see everybody's switching over to the RYNO WORX 30-gallon melter.
Right.
They're everywhere. Everyone's using them.
Right.
They're everywhere. And
so it becomes what it is it's being innovative, creative, not remaining stagnant and plateaued, but innovating to maximize people's businesses.
Exactly.
And I think in our businesses, it's the same thing. If we just stand still, we sit still, and we stay comfortable, there's no growth. There's no opportunity to grow, right? It's like technology, the same things happen. So, you know, with seal coat spray systems, things are going to be changing for sure. When are they changing?
And they should.
They're changing. Okay. Slowly but surely. Asphalt recyclers, hot boxes, all that stuff. And I think it takes all of these wonderful minds to be able to do that. And if you're just focused solely on your business and making money, you can never do that. We need the feedback from everybody to be able to have the engineers develop and scale that and then go to market.
That's the biggest thing. I have that conversation all the time. You get these desk jockeys who know nothing about the product, honestly. In here, I talk to a couple people, and they're telling me fast and just listen, I'm the one that uses it every day. You could tell me scientifically that at this temperature and this length of time, something should, you know, properly be done. I'm telling you, I do it every day for a living. So, us in the field, we're the guys.
You're the guys that matter, man. You're the guys that matter. You need them.
Exactly.
And you know what? As long as you're willing to actually take the constructive criticism and apply it and grow it, then you're going to be okay.
Broadway. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate everybody, man. You guys are all just awesome.
Judd, nice to finally meet you, man. All right. Nice to meet you. We'll talk more.
Absolutely. Thanks, man.
Like, comment, and subscribe below.